Go hair. You alright today? You know what I'm saying? I'm so Haitian. My accent came out. Jesus, I can't even help it. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Waldia. Now in today's videos, I am going to chit chat with you guys about my updated natural hair regimen. According to most of you in my previous video, thank you all for letting me know your feedback and what I can do to improve what's going on up here, okay? Y'all let me know that my hair is not damaged per se. I did cut, a couple of spots by mistake while I was taking down my protective style. And I do need a really good trim. So most of you guys suggested that I go see a professional to get a trim. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, okay? So I'm just gonna start styling my hair. I got a lot of good feedback about what I need to do. And let me tell you guys, right? So I started my YouTube channel in the hopes of helping, others with their natural hair and makeup and stuff like that. But in return, you guys got a lot of good advice, you know what I'm saying? So a lot of what you were saying made a lot of sense. So I'm going to incorporate what everyone was saying, and I've come up and mapped out a natural hair regimen, which I will be faithful to for the next couple of months, just to restore my hair and get it back to its best state. And just so you guys know how important your comments and how serious I took your comments and your suggestions, one of the #1 suggestions I got from YouTube and Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure to do so as soon as possible, please, because I do post a lot on there, and I communicate with whoever wants to talk about anything, okay? So, but anyway, one of the #1 suggestions was to go to a professional, salon, to have them assess my hair and also trim or cut whatever, is fit. And I did set my appointment. It's for this weekend, and I am going to take you guys on that journey. I have not went to a professional hair salon, I say, in about 7 years. I've been doing my own hair, including protective styling, because my twins are 8 now. They were about like maybe, I think 1, the last time I went. So you can imagine, like, I'm kind of scared because I'm like, oh my God, I trust myself. I know what sometimes I know what I'm doing with my hair, but to entrust my hair in someone else's care is kind of like nerve-wracking, but I think it's much needed. I can trim my hair on my own, but because it's uneven and I've done crap to it that I shouldn't have done, I want someone to go in and do that for me. And I'm getting a silk press, y'all. If you're new to my channel, I am basically terrified of heat damage, okay? So the fact that I'm even getting a silk press is kind of like, I don't need to get a silk press in order to cut and trim it, but I figured, you know what, I'm about to start a whole new healthy hair journey. I'm not going to be applying heat or anything to my hair for a very long time. So let me get this silk press out of my system. I've been thinking about it a lot lately because I'm like, that's one thing I haven't done yet, and I kind of want to do it now. So I'm going to do that this weekend. And I'm gonna bring you along. Hopefully I'm able to get some footage from the salon itself. But I'm very, very, very excited. Very excited about that. One of the comments that I received on my previous video that just like, really, Wadia, you know this? But her suggestion was so impactful. It's like, thank you, okay? Her name is Sully. I hope I'm not mispronouncing your name, but I'm going to put the screenshot on the screen here so you guys can see it as I read it. She said, I am so tired of seeing my hard work and progress end up in the trash. I am starting, this right here. I am starting a new 2-step process for my protective style takedowns. Listen, y'all. Day 1, focus on the takedown. Co-wash with conditioner only for detangling in small sections. So what I was doing with my protective styles, I was like trying to get everything done in one day. I'm starting off too late in the day, trying to take it down just to hurry up and wash it. And in me rushing, by mistake, I'm cutting my hair. And with faux locks, I love, one of my favorite protective styles. With faux locks, a lot of times the texture of the spring twist that I'm using matches my hair texture so well that I think I'm cutting the spring twist and I'm actually cutting my hair. So I love her suggestion in saying that, you know, instead of making it a 1-day process, you know, make it a 2 or 3 day process. So she's saying day 1 and day 2, focus on the takedown, co-wash, and detangle in small sections. I'm definitely going to incorporate that into my regimen. Thank you so much. And then next she says, no shampoo whatsoever in that first day that you've taken it down. Okay. Now, 2 or 3 days later, focus on entire wash day routine, starting with shampooing, etc., etc. And when you, because when I protect a style for at least a month and more. Okay, at least a month. So, my scalp sometimes a little irritated when I'm taking down my protective style because I'm tugging at my hair and I'm rushing, and you know, I feel like if I break it down into days instead of just doing everything in 1 day, it'll give my hair and my scalp some type of like time to recover. At first I was saying no more faux locks, but no, that's my favorite protective style. I'm going to install faux locks. My hair is looking way better than my previous video, by the way. And keep in mind, my previous video, that was day 1 hair. Usually, you know how that go, but whatever. I still need a trim, period. And so in my hair regimen also, while I'm protective style, one of my biggest mistakes that I do is that I neglect my hair. I don't know if my hair is dry. I don't care if it's, my scalp is dry. When I protect style, well, lately anyway, this past year, my protective styling, I've been just neglecting my hair, not taking care of it. Yeah, just not doing what I'm supposed to be doing. I know better. But I'm excited to start on this new journey with you guys because I want you guys to see my progress, and I want you to see how you can restore your hair even when you damage it or do, you know, things you're not supposed to do to it. All right, so the next thing I'm going to be incorporating in my hair regimen is my Jamaican black castor oil. I will be applying Jamaican black castor oil to my scalp and also the parts of my hair that I cut, you know, and the parts that are thinning because of the way I cut it. I will be doing that maybe, I'm not sure if I'm going to do every other day. I used to do every other day back in the day. It really worked for me. Either every other day or every 2 to 3 days. I'm gonna apply to my, especially my edges, my scalp. My scalp loves Jamaican black castor oil, y'all. And also the focusing on the thinning parts of my hair. Also paying attention to your hair, paying attention to my hair, listening to what it says that it needs. You know, a lot of times we just do whatever because out of routine or because, no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do something out of routine. I'm gonna do it because my hair actually needs it. I do plan on shampooing with a sulfate-free shampoo every other week, and then maybe use a clarifying shampoo every month or every month and a half, depending on, like I said, listening to my hair, depending on what my hair needs at that time. I do plan to moisturize my hair as needed. If that's every other day, if that's once a week, you know, then that's what I'm gonna do. My hair does a good job with retaining moisture, so I feel like if I go in with a moisturizer maybe every 2 to 3 days, that should be fine. I'm gonna continue using hair grease as my styling product. That's not gonna stop because I feel like hair grease just, I don't know, my hair loves it. It just makes my hair so soft. And then for my deep conditioners, I'm going to use a deep conditioner every wash day. That's what I plan to do. That's going to be my in my regimen. And then I'm going to go in with a protein treatment, I think once a month, depending on my hair needs. And now, should I start the rice water again? That I think I am going to do. I think I'm going to do the rice water. I don't know if I'm going to do it every wash day or every other wash day. So maybe once a month, do that wash, the rice water treatment in my hair, because my hair really did love it, guys. When I did it previously on my channel, I was like amazed with the results. My hair thickened up a lot. A lot of the growth I got after I started using the rice water. So why not? I'm gonna do the, I'm gonna incorporate, I stopped that a while back. I stopped doing it because I got lazy, y'all. My hair looking kind of cute today. Okay. I guess the other day was just a very bad hair day. But I just like showing you guys the real, you know what I'm saying? If I have damaged spots, you guys didn't like me saying that my hair was damaged. But you know, I cut it, so to me it was damaged because it was see-through. The hair y'all saw. I was like, what? Why dear? But whatever. I like to show you guys that so that you can see that, you know, we all go through it. Our hair is literally a journey. Sometimes it's good. We have good months, we have bad months, we have bad days and weeks, and you know, but it's up to us. We can fix it. I feel like it's fixable. Should I pin this? I always do that. This is cute. Should I pin it? What y'all think? Pin it or no? Yeah? No? Tell me. Pin it? Hurry up, hurry up. Let me pin. Okay, fine, I'm pinning. Go hair. You all right today? You know what I'm saying? Oh. I'm so Haitian. My accent came out. Oh. Jesus, I can't even help it. If you guys didn't know, I am Haitian, okay? Speaking of which, y'all. Okay, so y'all know it's Black History Month, and I'm buying black all year round. All right, I made it a goal of mine to support more black owned businesses. So with that being said, I have to try on these earrings today. I have a couple of earrings to show you guys. These earrings I purchased from So Inspired Art. Her stuff is so bomb. Her name is Shervla. She's just talented all the way, okay? This girl is an artist and she's pretty much good at everything. Yeah, everybody knows somebody like Shervla, okay? Anything she touches, she's just great at. Like, takes no effort. I'm like, girl, how are you so talented? You know? So I want to, and I'm gonna leave her IG in my description box so you guys can reach out to her. She does do paintings if you need artwork for your home. She's just bomb.com, and she does these personalized earrings. Let her know what you want, and if you want a flag or any other design, she can get that done for you. So yeah guys, I do feel like we have to support our own, not only because it's February, it's Black History Month, you know, they gave us a month. No, I feel like we should do that all year round. Like, we got, like, we have so much talent in our community, so honestly we can do it all, period. Love. Look, can I model for a second? Can I? Thank you. Let me show you guys the back of my hair. So cute. All right, so this is the first style, okay, with the earrings. All right, so I want to show you guys something else. I'm gonna just do another style. Hey guys, this video is not sponsored or anything like that. I am supporting by purchasing, okay? Let's do that more often with our people. Why do we always look for a discount? Or, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing wrong with a discount. I ain't mad at it. But when we're supporting our own, why do we like try to cheat people out of what they deserve? You know what I'm saying? We don't go into, well, some of us do, Macy's or Nordstrom and say, no, I'm not going to pay. Let me pay, you know, $50 for these $100 shoes. You know, we don't do that, do we? No, we don't. So when our own people are selling a service, let's keep that same energy. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take one of these headband thingies. It's not too tight. Just gonna put it right, where should I put this? Right here is fine. And I'm gonna push my hair upwards. Cute little updo. See how simple and easy that was? I literally just changed my style in 3.5 seconds. Effortless and cute, right? And guys, in my natural hair regimen, I do like to protect the style, and I am going to protect the style, even though I kind of messed up the last protective style by cutting my actual hair, because I feel like my hair grows more when I leave it alone. I think that's for everybody, right? It grows more. So imagine if I was taking care of it while it's in protective style, you know, in this protective style, my hair would have been like beasting. You know what I'm saying? So I do plan to do that as well. Doesn't have to be perfect. That's why I like this style, because perfect hair is boring. You know what I'm saying? Well, not boring, but I don't like when my hair is perfect. I like it to have a little personality, you know, and do its own thing. This is cute. Let me show y'all the next earrings. Queen, just to remind people. Nah, for real, legit, I feel like a queen. Ha ha, ha ha ha. Okay. What? You don't see my earrings? Come on. You don't see my hair? Come on. Shervla did that. She did that with these earrings. You heard? Wow. So if you like these earrings, definitely check out her page. Oh my God. So this is look number 2. All right, let's move on to the final style that I want to show you guys today. Very simple. Like, I'm not even kidding how simple this is. The famous just high puff. Ooh, my forehead. Oh my God, Wadia. Is my forehead getting bigger? Jesus. 5 head gang, what's up? All right. Now I'm just going to easy peasy. Gonna swoop these edges. I have to apply product first, Wadia, really? You know, the baby hairs and stuff like that, that's totally optional, but I like to give it a little swoop action. This is one of my favorite styles. Whenever I have a bad hair day, I just like to puff. You can't go wrong with a puff. Then I have a professional trim my hair every quarter, depending on how it goes this weekend. If I like the experience, I will be back. If not, then I'll probably just, you know, do it myself. And this is what the puff is looking like. Okay, it's not perfect, but that's all right. I just love the fluffiness of it. It's the blue magic, y'all. I'm telling you, if you want fluffy hair, hair grease is the way to go. So for the final pair of earrings for today, these earrings mean so much to me, y'all, because it represents one of my favorite human beings. He passed away recently. You guys already know if you don't, Kobe Bryant. So I asked Sherv, could she make, you know, a special design for me? And let me tell you, all I told her was yellow and purple, Laker colors, you know what I mean? And she already knew. Okay, and that's what I love about her creativity. Just give her an idea of what you're looking for and leave the rest to her, okay? Too cute, gorgeous. These earrings not cute, y'all? Come on, 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 come on. Again, all of her information is listed in my description box, so yeah, check her out, guys. Check her out. Get you some earrings. She does pins too. You know what I'm saying? If you want a pin, a personalized pin, whatever you need, she got you. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. As usual, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And make sure you click that notification bell so that you can be aware, you know, you get notified when I upload. Hope YouTube is on it with that. They be bugging sometimes. And follow me on all of my social media, especially Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook. All of that is listed in my description box. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Until next time, bye.